Hello Marlies. We got snow. Do you know where we are? It's Church Street. There's the ice cream shop. That's up towards the church. We'll take you a little walk up the street. That's the bridge with the phone box, if you can remember that. JJ! Jade! Jade! That's my little doggy Jade. Come here! You sit down! You sit down! Good girl. Just wait a minute. Over we go. Good girl. Now this will take you back down memory lane. This is on to where I used to live. This is where we used to walk up the yard. Is Jade having a mad half hour now? What you got, Jade? What you got? Where's that? Come on. Back up home.